What's good, YouTube? All right, now, if anybody knows me, they know LeBron James is my guy, right? Some people may not know is that the Lake Show outside of the Knicks was always my team. The first game I saw growing up with my dad was Lakers versus Knicks at Madison Square Garden. All right, his favorite player was Magic Johnson. So listen, it's always been in me. All right, Kobe Bean, my guy. So when LeBron came to the Lake Show, the jerseys had to get got. As you can see, this was my original favorite. This one, it really don't get much better than this, right? But this year, they rolled out 2 new jerseys. Now, the first one, I did a brief review on, but I didn't know that would be the most watched video on my channel. So, this was the video. This was the jersey right here. One thing to note that I didn't even know on the first time. Lore Series, Elgin Baylor. Shout out to Elgin, man. RIP. Legend. You can get the Wish Patch, Lakers Store, LakersStore.com for the purchases for if you want the Wish Patch. Unfortunately for this other one, I wasn't able to get it off the Lakers Store because it just was tripping. I like how they had that gray with the blue background. The white is tough to, it's tough to really wear and keep clean like that, so I don't really throw this one on like that. But again, this one I thought was the creme de la creme. I'm like, I can't believe they dropped this joint this year. And then they came out with the royal blue joint. I said, wait. Now, Lakers Store was bugging, right? I'm trying to get to it quick, too. Lakers Store was tripping. They still tripping. I may re-get it just for the patch. But right now, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? All right. Without further ado, it's the first time y'all seen it. It's the first time I'm seeing it. I'm hyped. It's a new LeBron to add to the collection. I'm going to let y'all see it first. I'm not even going to look. Can y'all see it? Y'all can't. I looked with y'all. I lied. I looked with y'all. Hold on. Uh-oh. Let's get this thing out. Uh-oh. Dun, dun, dun. Oh. I'm definitely keeping it. Oh. Ooh. Look at the trim. Look at that trim. Trim is fire. Color background is fire. Oh, man. And guys, here we go. Oh! Oh, that one's fire. This one's fire right here. Oh, man. Oh. Yo, that royal blue on baby blue colorway is fire. It's so, actually the right color for it is ice cold. It feels very, very cold. It's like a, Okay, nothing on the bottom for me on this one. Yeah, that's tough right there. That's tough right there. I'm gonna give y'all a pop up and down. Listen, this is definitely getting worn. I'm telling y'all right now, there's no question about it. I don't know if y'all into popping tags. I am. Done. That wasn't even a question. This was not getting sent back under no circumstances. Yeah, look at that. I'm a little ashy. I don't care. Whatever. Yeah, look at that. So now, again, I got this joint. And I got this joint. Who's seeing me in this Lake Show game right now? Big thumbnail vibes. Let's see. Oh, now that I'm looking at this one, I don't know if y'all can see. It gives y'all like a... It's like a white, then it does go into the gray, then it does go into the blue, kind of to match the jersey. The thing is, on this one, it just stands out even more. Look at this. I'm not gonna lie, this one's definitely talking to me. It's talking to me. You know what it's saying? It's saying, wear me. It's saying, wear me. Yeah, it's saying, wear me. I think it's saying, wear me. I got on the black, though. That's okay. Your time will come. And LeBron is injured. I can't even put you on with LeBron injured right now. I can't. I just can't. But I'm trying to tell y'all, America. I'm trying to tell y'all, YouTube. I'm trying to tell you, world. When it comes to this LeBron jersey game, you can't. Yo, this year they came correct. This year they came correct. All right. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna put it on my. You know how you win in battle. You throw them over your shoulder like a victory, or like when you win in a race and they put the flag over you. You won another championship, yeah. Another ring, 200 meter, 400 meter, right here. I feel like I got the Intercontinental Championship right here and the heavyweight. What y'all want to do, man? What y'all want to do? This was my favorite. Anybody know me? No, blue is not my color, right? Blue is not my color. But, you know, I will, when Nipsey, for Nip, this one I thought was already fire. But when they came out with this joint, look at that. Now, the blue is not like a straight royal blue. I want to say this is, this might be straight up knit blue. I think it's the baby blue that's kind of giving me make it feel like it's a darker vibe than it really is. But let me turn one of the lights around. Let's see what we got. What y'all think? That's straight. That's the color blue, right? And I got my lights on, I think like straight white, like no orange tint or no blue tint. So this is what I'm gonna say is a good representation of that color. That color. Don't mind the background because it's giving crazy shadows right now. And for this one, I like sending them joints over. This is the color scheme on this. With the white. So you can see that blue is an interesting blue, right? It's an interesting blue on this one. It's going to be an interesting match. I don't even know if it's the same blue. No, that's that same one. Yep, that's the same one. Okay. Yep, that's the same one. So this blue right here is the blue that they use for this. They popped off this gray to just really wash it out, which gives it like a washed out look, but it's fire. But this one right here, I just can't get over how stunning it is. How stunning it is. I ain't gonna lie, that patch adds something to it, don't it? Tell me that patch don't add something to it. I be trying to, any jersey I try to get now, I try to get it with the Wish patch. Or get off the Lakers store so I can get that patch. But sometimes you just gotta pull a trigger. And like, hey, listen, I have two. I have one with the patch, one not, and hey, who knows? If it get popping, I'll give away. But I had to scoop this while it was still in production. Kind of like this one. Like, hey, ain't no patch on this one. I know they have patch out. I think my yellow one don't got a patch either. It don't. Listen, that's about it. I hope y'all enjoyed that. I definitely enjoyed it. I got a new one in the collection. If y'all want to see more, I think I'm going to get into, let me fix this. My bad, it's kind of bugging me out. There you go. I think I'm going to start doing more. I mean, I got more jerseys in the tuck. Hold on, I'm going to show y'all real quick, right? I think I'm going to do more of these jersey joints. Clearly, that's what I got the more clicks on, so I'm gonna pop off. I'm gonna give y'all a couple more of these joints. That's why I had to bring this one back out. I'm gonna show y'all what else I got, though. Just to close out my brown collection. I mean, my son got the white one. I don't know why I don't have the white one yet. My son got the white one. I got, the true Laker yellow joint. I got this joint, and now I got these two. These are my 4 Bron Laker jerseys. Hold on. Now, I don't want y'all to get it twisted and think I'm not down with big Lake Show vibes. You know what I'm saying? So, including Bron, we got AD. Shout out to AD. And we also got Kuz with the Wish patch. Wish patch Kuz. You know what I'm saying? So don't think I'm not showing love to the team. Now you can say I'm something like Loso. I'm a jersey guy. So, I don't want to say I have a rule, but so far the rule is intact. In that you got to win a ring you got to either be GOAT James or you got to win a ring with GOAT James. And so that has allowed me to get, it pains me to say this. This is one of the most fire jerseys out of the season outside of those, and all of them been blue, unfortunately. This one gave me some red in it, but I'm gonna do this one in its own video. If y'all been here 13 minutes, shout out to y'all. I'm just gonna give y'all a quick glimpse of this one. Bang! Ooh, yeah, you see me. You know I got that heat, boy. Yeah, bang, Irving. Bang, heat. Ooh. And last and not least, on my pickups from this year. So that's what, 4? Yeah, 4 new joints this year I picked up. He left the squad, right? He's no longer with this team that I have the jersey on, but the jersey was kind of bigger than the person. I just didn't know who I wanted to get from the team. So I'm glad, I don't know if y'all can see it, but boom, MLK. Ooh, special edition. With the patch. Quick with the patch. Bang. Bang. Ooh, I'm going to do that one. That one's also got a little writing on it. Little tidbits. And it came with something else. That's in the video. All right, man. It's a little teaser. I'm going to put out more of these, though. If y'all interested, hopefully. You know what I'm saying? We're going to see. I mean, this is a part of what I like. You know what I mean? And my son got the white one. I don't know if I said that. My son got the white Bron. I need to go get that. I need to go scoop that so we can be Devilmans. But all right, that's about it. Maybe I might do another haul on my Lakers championship jersey because I mean championship gear because I do have a lot. Matter of fact, that's next. All right, I'm recording that now. I'm gonna holla at y'all. Peace.